Okay, so I've got the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro with the provided handle. Problem is, it's locked in, by the way, right now. So I've got everything. You see that's actually in locked in mode. However, a little bit of twisting, not touching the button here, because the button here is for the release off this side. A little bit of twisting, you can hear that it's locked in now. A little bit of twisting, doesn't take much. That's locked in, it's not going any further that way. It'll actually pop free. What I'm going to do is extend that little button a little further out. So there's a release button here. When I'm not hitting it, what I'm going to do is actually, you can actually see that section moving in and out. That's what you're hearing kind of click in, but it's not totally clicking into the hole because I can push it back out. So what I'm going to do, since it's in the out position, I'm going to take a 2mm Allen wrench. I'm actually going to extend that out a little bit. You actually can hear it extending out as I do that. Keep all this steady here. Click that back into place. Still want to do it. It is not going out any further either. Alright. Try and push it a little more. Alright, it was several turns. See if it actually makes a... Nope, it's not making much of a difference. It's still popping loose. Well, that didn't help any, so I tightened that all the way in, which should be putting full pressure on that spring. And I still just a little bit of pulling here. Can actually get that separate. Yep. Doesn't take much. Probably gonna be sending this one back to GoPro.